In this video, we're going to learn how to submit an assignment to the Google Classroom. Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Riyad, BBA Marketing, Begum Rokhaya University, Rangpur. Now recently, one of our associate professor, Sheikh Majidul Haq, has assigned a task to complete on the Google Classroom. Then I think why not to make a video on it, because a lot of students in our country don't know how to use this awesome classroom, virtual classroom, or whatever you can call it. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, I would like to say that we're pretty close to hit 1000 subscribers, guys. So all the thanks to our existing subscribers. And I'm telling to those people who have already not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and help us reach 1000 subscribers. So let's go and hit that. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser or whatever browser you use to visit internet. And then on the search box, type Google Classroom and hit search button. Click Classroom. Now go to Classroom. Don't you see your existing classes? Try another account. Or you can create or join your first class. Right now you're not a teacher, you're a student, so you have to click on the Join Class option. Now in this page you will see a code or class code option, and this page will require a class code to join a new class. So there should be a code provided by your teacher, whoever has given you the task to complete, or you can ask your CR or class representative for the class code. I have got my class code from our CR. Now I'm gonna copy it and paste it into the class code box. Now we have a clickable Join Class button, but before we clicking on the Join button, we have to make sure that we have currently signed in into the right Gmail. This is an academic task, so we should use our personal account. So I'm going to switch it to my personal one. The code is still at the same place. Now we can click on the Join button. Once we click on the Join button, we will be able to see our classes. I have the only one and I'm going to click on it. And after that, we're going to see everything about the classes. Here is all of our assignment. This one is the previous one I have submitted previously, but today we're going to submit the first one, and this one is the upcoming. As you can see, till Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. So let's click on that. Alright, now we can see the detail about the assignment. Explain the concepts in details, various types of public, consumerism, environmentalism, green marketing. 10 points assigned by Sheikh Majidul Haq, due January 13, 11:59 p.m. That means before 14 January. For further queries, you can comment here, and here you can submit your task. By clicking on the Add or Create button, we will be able to see so many options. You can submit from your Google Drive, or you can share link or any kind of file, or you can directly create a document from here and you can directly submit it from here. I have to upload some images for this particular assignment, and that's why I'm going to choosing this file option, and after that you will be able to see 4 more options to upload your images or any kind of file from here. You can select your files from your recent activity, or you can directly upload your files from your computer by going to the upload option, or you can select it from your drive if you have already uploaded it to your Google Drive. Okay, now I'm going to upload some images from my computer, and that's why I'm going to go ahead and click on the upload option, and I'm going to choose it from my desktop. And here inside the assignment folder, I have around 12 images to upload here as I prepared them for my assignment. So I'm going to select all of them and click open. Alright, that's all. As you can see, our files are being uploaded. Now we all will have to wait here, and after that you will be able to see all of our images or files are added to our work. Now we can submit our files by clicking on the Turn In button. Once we click on the Turn In button, Google Classroom will ask you turn in your works. You can simply verify your files once again by looking over here, and you can click on the Turn In button. Alright, that's all. Your work is done. If you change your mind, you can unsubmit it anytime, or you can replace your files anytime from here. Okay, now let's verify is it worked or not. Simply going over the option, select your class, and see it in upcomings. See, no work due soon. That's all for this particular video, guys. Please do subscribe to this channel cause that will be a great incentive to us. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We're making 50 more animated videos for a new playlist. I hope you will stay connected. Thank you.